Malaysia has warned of a fresh wave of COVID-19 infections if people don't follow the tough new restrictions that came into force at midnight. The partial lockdown will be in force for at least 2 weeks. It includes travel restrictions, business and school closures, as well as a ban on large-scale gatherings. But some are determined not to let the situation get them down, as Melissa Goh reports.
First day of the partial lockdown in Malaysia. Downtown Kuala Lumpur was unusually quiet. Traffic in and out of the city was a breeze. Malaysians were told to stay at home as much as possible, except for those working in banks, telecommunications, transport, food, healthcare and cleaning services that are deemed essential. This as the government tries to stem the rapid rise of COVID-19 cases that's more than quadrupled in 1 week. First 2 deaths were reported on Tuesday. Some Malaysians were out and about despite the movement control measures, determined to stick to their daily routine while maintaining social distancing.
So important is don't mix too crowd lah. Okay. So we must run alone lah.
A really good time for everyone to just like rejuvenate and reflect on what's going on. It's really important to keep healthy, which is why we're here.
Others are unhappy with closure of public parks and recreational centres.
This thing, it disrupts all our lives, right? I mean, whether we like it or not, it is disruptive, you know. So it's never happened. It's a shock. It's something we have never encountered. There's no precedent.
I love the park and I don't think it should be closed, you know. I mean, there must be an avenue where people can go, you know, to vent what's going on right now, you know. And it's difficult to, you know, when you're at home, you need to go, wow.
Now, it's only the first day and Malaysians are learning to cope with changes. Social gatherings such as weddings, sports meets, including night markets, are banned. Now, malls, museums, gyms, including tourist attractions, are closed for the next 2 weeks. Now, there is no queue for once out here at the KL Gallery. Now, this place is usually packed with tourists taking selfies. Foreigners are not allowed to enter the country during the 2-week partial lockdown. Malaysians cannot travel between states unless with a police permit. But that has since been relaxed after police were inundated by requests. Here at an eatery in Kuala Lumpur, it's not business as usual, as no dine-in is allowed. They can only serve takeouts or food delivery.
The office, semua staff semua dah tak ada. So people walk around also dah kurang. So business really go down, 90%.
Even the cafes, the chairs and the tables were all cordoned off because dining in is strictly not allowed. But you can walk in and order your drinks and take them away. Thank you. More police are stationed in and around Kuala Lumpur, and those who defy the movement control order can be jailed up to 2 years or face a fine or both. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.